CISC 190. So today I'm going to be creating a code that will draw a little 12-sided shape for us that looks like it's between a circle and a stop sign. Technically it's called a Dodecagon, I think. So our first step is to import java.awt. This is so that we will be able to give our turtle a color. In my case, a rusty color, because I've been liking the color rust. Then we're going to write the line public class draw stop sign. And we're going to make sure that draw stop sign, or whatever you write, matches the file name. This will be crucial in order for our program to run. The other crucial line that we need for our program to run to begin with is public static void main string args. With that in mind, I'm going to create some constants so that when I'm moving my turtle around, I'm not having to type in numbers for every step. And so what I'm going to do is create constants for how much the turtle rotates and how much the turtle moves forward. This describes the two crucial aspects of creating the shape, and that's just what are the length of the sides and what are their interior angles. Those are the only two things we need. So now that I've created those constants, we're creating the color of rust, and that'll point to the values 200 for red, 100 for green, 0 for blue. The next thing we're going to do is to create the world that our turtle will live in. So world w equals new world, our parameters are 800, 600, and then we need to situate our turtle q within this world. So I positioned the turtle at 200, 300, as you can see on the program that's already run. And after the 200, 300, we clarify that it is situated in the world that we just created by adding w, closing the parentheses, putting a semicolon. So now we've got our turtle in the world, we're ready to go, ready to move it. We set the color to rust, so now we get into moving it. I wanted to create a loop to make all the sides so that I would only have to type 2 lines of code and then the whole shape would be drawn. And I wouldn't even have to specify numbers because of the way that we've created constants. So as you can see, I typed 4, int I equals 0, number of iterations is 11. And those two things mean that the series runs from 0 to 11. That means there's total 12 iterations. And the I++ means that we're adding 1 every time. So every time it completes, we're running through it again. So with that in mind, q.forward side means it's going forward 100 because I specified that. We're turning it 30 degrees because I specified that in the constant rotate. Then we're going to repeat it 12 times. You'll notice that it goes all the way around to complete a full circle. That's because I specifically made it so that the number of iterations, which is 12, times the angle, the number of degrees we rotate, 30, equals 360. You can achieve this in different ways. If you want to create a full perfect shape where this turtle starts where it ends, you can create a hexagon by making the angle, making the rotate equal 60, and then making the number of iterations 6. All you have to do is change 2 things in this code, and the whole shape is completely different. So that's one of the big benefits of using the constants here and using this this for loop. So I hope that was helpful in some way. Thank you.